North Korea, a totally different country, but not in a good way. Kim Jong-un, the supreme leader of North Korea, dictating the country, has made several rules that made the life of people there worse than hell. But they still follow him blindly. Why? You'll get the idea after this video. The condition in North Korea is the worst, and it is made even more worse due to some horrifying rules. The first one is the 3-generation rule that states if a person commits a crime in North Korea, not only that person but also their children and grandchildren are punished. The capital of every country is generally considered the best place to live in a country. Just imagine, how do you feel if you're not allowed to live there?
What? But
you are, so don't imagine. In North Korea, common people are not allowed to live in the capital city without taking permission from the government. Only the government officials are allowed to live there. Is North Korea a democratic country? Yes and no. It is democratic because there is an election every 4 to 5 years. People can choose their leaders. So, it is good. What's wrong in this? Why it's not democratic? Because there is only one candidate to vote for. Watching TV, the best way to spend time. Yes, because we have thousands of channels to watch. But in North Korea, there are only 3 TV channels, that too controlled by the government. So, no great TV series, not even cartoons.
Say my name.
No. People in North Korea can't live on their own terms. They have to live how Kim tells them to live. Just think of that if your loved ones live in another country and you're not allowed to talk to them. Yes, it's a crime in North Korea making an international call. You can't even work there what you love to do. Your choice of profession is not your choice anymore there. It is decided by the government according to the country's needs. In other countries, we have independence to say whatever we want to say about presidents or prime ministers.
भीख मांगने से शुरू हुआ था, अब भी भीख मांग रहा है। इंशाअल्लाह ताला मरते दम तक मुझे पूरा यकीन है हजरत इज़राइल अलैहिस्सलाम जब तशरीफ लाएंगे इसकी रूह कब्ज करने, ये उनसे भी भीख मांगेगा।
But in North Korea, people don't even try to disrespect not only Kim Jong-un but his family also or other politicians. A person doing so may face a severe punishment. Once it was reported that a mother faced jail for trying to save her children instead of former President Kim Il-sung's portrait. Smiling is prohibited on the day President Kim Il-sung died. Indirectly, people's feeling there is controlled by the government. North Korea is a totalitarian regime that follows different rules from the rest of the world. The nation keeps a lot of secrets and has many unusual laws that will make you thank the universe you are not living there.